While weeding my flower bed, I'm finding little seashells. Something is living in the shells. They are smaller than a penny. I'm not sure if these things are good or bad. What should I do with them? And this is Sharon from West Tennessee. Well, guess what, Sharon? We appreciate that picture.
I do.
What do you think that? What do you think those are?
Those are snails.
The snail shells, yeah.
Yeah, there's snail shells, and there's probably snails in them.
Yeah.
And they like slugs. They like the same things slugs like. And I kind of put them in the same category with slugs.
Okay.
As being thugs in the garden.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, because
all right.
they like to chew on the nice plant material that we would like to see and not have a bunch of holes in them.
That's right. Yeah. So yeah, well, they're good or bad?
So
yeah, they could be bad.
They could be bad.
They could be
yes,
bad.
If there's enough of them, it could be bad.
Right.
They like wet, dark conditions.
Yeah, I was just about to say, yeah, so the environment?
Yeah, environment.
Yeah.
But I just, don't necessarily want them to continue to live if there's a large population.
Right.
Because they're them like the slugs, they put a lot of holes in the plants.
Yeah, they can cause some damage, to your plants that you have out in the landscape. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.